This is the first part of a 3-part mini-series. We are doing all LED. We're doing the map lights, the dome. We'll also do the vanity mirrors, that glove compartment. I'll show you how to get an access to that part and do a little review. Part 2, we're doing the ones with the license plate. We'll also be doing the ones under the trunk, and we're doing a LED strobe light on the reverse and brake lights. And for part 3, it's a secret. Gets even better. So yeah, let's get it.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
I really expected it to be brighter than the yellow, but as you can see, it's almost alike. Or am I just tripping? Probably the angles. But here, let me show you something. As you can see, my gloves look way better under the yellow light. I really am tripping. There's been excellent reviews of this LED from that online store, but there seemed to be something wrong. This sliding arm has something like a hook at the tip. Just slowly hook it out. The proper way is to do both sides at the same time, but I just can't because, I'm filming. We got a damper. Two more supporting hooks at the bottom. Just pull the damper out. Then slowly unhook the bottom support. One screw down there. And another one right here. We are now taking off the compartment, but to do that without damaging the clips, you have to pull it up, but towards you. Repeat. Pull it up, but towards you. Just disregard this wire. It's a charger. It goes through that hole and is connected to the head unit. I'm gonna use my right hand to pull on that hole towards me. While down there, I'll be using my left hand to pull it upward. This thing's so tight. Okay, I kind of forgot to remove. There's some kind of cover down here. And for the meantime, let's leave it half open. The oil compartment goes all up to here and is even hidden under this rubber seal. So these are some of the clips that you can damage. That is, if you pull it out the wrong way. Now that we have some access to the bulb, there's no use pulling out the whole glove compartment because I've seen wires at the back and I don't want to mess with that. Before we get everything back together in reverse, just make sure that your clips are aligned. So we have a total of 4 clips. And also make sure that that rubber seal at the corner, it doesn't block the way. Done with the map lights and glove compartment, everything fairly okay. nothing spectacular. And the reason for that will be discussed on part 2. But there's something I have to say about these Mazda interior panels. When you assemble them back, they align back perfectly and tight. With that, I wouldn't want to take it much longer. See you on part 2.